supplying the Schnozz. It's a computer warehouse kit, yellow and black, 5 inches in diameter, 4 feet long, weighs 6 kilograms, going on a J275W. And it's a dual deploy. It's got an egg finder, and the main is at 800. Are you ready, Eric? Eric is ready. Sky and range are clear. We have continuity on 3-2. 3-2 is armed. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arcing over. We have an event. And there is right straight above the LCO table. It's coming in behind the range. Let's see where she wants to go. Heads up behind the line towards the east end. It's down.